Good morning, everyone from sunny Wyoming. Finally had a nice day out here. Decided I'd fire up the Blackstone and try to cook something on it. So I'm going to do breakfast on it today. And if you notice, I'm sporting my Island Life fishing swag. So maybe I won't burn it this time. So anyway, this will be the first real cook on the Blackstone. I got it seasoned up and everything. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get me some hash brown potatoes on and we'll get to it. Put a little oil down here. Get this a little bit right in here. Move that a little bit. Yeah, I love to hear that sizzle. Get some hash browns on here. Oh yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and get some bacon on while we're going here. This is some of that bacon that homemade bacon I made. Now we're going to turn this down just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to set this right over here for right now. Yeah, I think I'm going to really like this Blackstone. Got plenty of room on it. I can cook a lot of different things. Today we're just going to do hash browns, bacon, and we're going to do some eggs in a basket, what they call them, I guess. You know, and the bread, and we'll get to that in just a minute. It doesn't take as long for them to cook. I'll be right back. Let me grab some tongs right quick. Okay, got the trusty tongs. Can't believe I didn't bring them out first. Yeah, this homemade bacon doesn't shrivel up as much as store-bought bacon, which is a good thing. It doesn't take as much. So we set these right over here. No, set them right there. See how my hash browns are going. And we'll go ahead and we'll flip them right quick too while we're at it. Like I say, I'm still trying to learn this. Yeah, hash browns looking good. It's gonna take a little bit to get used to this Blackstone, but I'll get the hang of it. Love the way it cooks. Yeah, we'll just keep this going. Looks like my bacon may get done before hash browns and everything, but that's okay. We can deal with that too. Yeah, it turned into a beautiful morning this morning for a change here at Wyoming. Like I say, the winds, we got a little bit of wind, but hey, we can deal with that. Temperatures warmed up for a change. Finally starting to feel like March now. And I think we got some snow coming this next week, but we'll enjoy it while it's here. Let me do a little flip on the bacon right quick. Yeah, this bacon's about done. Didn't take this bacon long. bacon all warmed up here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these down to medium. These are almost ready to come off. I'm gonna go get a plate to get this. Yeah, our bacon's about done. I'm gonna go ahead and get it up, get it on the plate here. Y'all can hear that wind blowing, I know. Set that over there. I'm gonna set this down right here, right now. That right there. Check out our yeah, hash browns are getting there. I like a little bit of crunch with my hash browns, so. There we go. All right. Now what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get me a little bit of butter on here. Made some homemade bread last night. Couldn't find any Texas toast for this, so I just broke out the bread machine and made a loaf of bread. Put some eggs right in the middle, if I don't drop it. There we go. There we go. These may be running a little warm here. All right, let me run and get some paper towel right quick. Our eggs are doing good. Yeah, there we go. And just let them keep on going here. Yeah, this is gonna be a good breakfast here. Everything's turning out good so far. Hadn't burned anything yet, believe it or not. Yeah, I'm really gonna like this Blackstone. Took a little bit to get it seasoned up. Had some really high wind when I was trying to season it. So, but, okay. Move these over a little bit. Okay. All right. Do this. Let me get a little bit of butter right down here. Move this out of the way. Oh yeah, that's gonna be just perfect there. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Move this plate so I can get some of this off here. Take this in right quick, I'll be right back. Oh yeah. Hash browns are just about like I like them. I don't like them burnt totally. I just like a little bit of crunch to them. There we go. All right, I think these are done. Nice and toasted up. Put these right over there. Get our hash browns on here. And our breakfast is just about ready. This is just going to be a short little video, but that's okay. At least y'all can see my first cook on the Blackstone. See if it turned out good. All right. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this shut down and I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I really want to appreciate y'all stopping by, and I want to thank everyone for watching my videos, and everybody who subscribes to my channel. I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in the military and all of our veterans. As always, we owe them everything. And want to send a thanks out to all of the men and women in law enforcement, EMS, our firefighters, and all of our other first responders that keep us safe every day. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.